Amid the tight-knit blocks of Presidente Prudente, Brazil, a slender silhouette emerges. Atelier House, a dwelling that breathes between city and home. Here the rhythm of urban life meets a whispered retreat, a warehouse reborn where light and community embrace. A narrow two-story envelope, just 7 by 21 meters, that caresses its sidewalk. A recessed front slab softly defers to passers-by, welcoming them into a threshold where atelier and home gently overlap. The structure reveals its essence through visible concrete block masonry, with a robust slab retraced from the boundary that supports the upper residence. An exposed linear volume houses the services, bathrooms, stairs, and installations, executing utility with sculptural clarity. On the ground floor, the atelier unfolds an open plan. Above, the upper level hosts the kitchen, bathrooms, and intimate living areas within a separate volume. Between them, a generous zenithal opening along the longitudinal axis invites daylight into both levels, knitting them into one luminous whole. A continuous skylight stretches along the length of the house, bathing interiors in natural glow. Front and back facades utilize hollowed elements, cobogós, resting on a metal beam, filtering southeast light into soft-colored patterns, while enabling fresh breezes to cross through. At the rear, the beam doubles as a brise-soleil against harsh northwest sun. The interplay of exposed concrete blocks and raw masonry speaks of honesty and craft. The tactile slab hovers quietly above the street. Light passes through cobogó screens, infusing architecture with texture, shadow, and color. The atelier is a space of light and work, minimal and heartfelt. Furnishings recede, letting the skeletal structure frame purpose. Upstairs, intimacy resides behind simple volumes, where daylight filters through gaps, shaping moments of quiet, concentration, and inspiration. Although tightly embedded in an urban grid, the front setback carves out a gentle outdoor pause, a liminal zone inviting chance encounters and neighborhood presence. It blurs the threshold between public life and private creative sanctuary. Atelier House at Charlote Village stands as a bridge between street and soul, modest in form, rich in purpose. It is light threaded through concrete, a house that works and lives, inviting unity in its slender depths. Here, architecture becomes both threshold and refuge.